Welcome back, everybody. This is part 2 of me opening up a Topps Chrome 2026 UFC box. If you were returning from the previous video, you'll see that I opened up a box already, and we got some crazy-ass hits. Look at that in-your-face Sean Strickland card. I wish it was a refractor. It would be worth a little bit more, but ungraded, that bad boy is already going for $7.99 to $20, depending on where you're looking at. But look at this Manon Fiorot card, impact point card, very rare. Then I got the Global Warriors card. We got an Alex Pereira World Championship card. Let's see if we can hit some more crazy cards. We're gonna open this up right now. What's this? Never seen that before in a box. I mean, it's gonna be something special. That would be crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 packs. Let's get to opening it. Come on. We're looking for the chase cards, the Helix, and they also have the cards that are autos, that have autographs on it, or cards that have pieces of the glove on it. Those are going for thousands right now. Let's see if we get lucky. God damn it. I was trying to be fancy with opening. I'm just going to rip it now every time. Oh, shit. Look at that. A John Jones card. Whew. We're going to have to look at it, what it looks like from the front. Ju Sang Woo. Okay. Markel Metaros. Ooh, another impact point card. J.J. Aldrich. Let's see, is it a refractor? Nah, it doesn't look to be. Damn, it's not a refractor. But it is a nice card. Impact point. Need to sleeve that bad boy out. And then this is the John Jones card. Ooh, that's the one when he kicked him in the fucking face. Bang. Gotta sleeve that one up. All right, on to the next pack. Ooh, Amanda Ribas. We'll look and see what that card looks like. Jacqueline Cavalcanti. Kyle Bravo, already a duplicate. We already got this one. Oh, let's see. Oh, shit. In your face, Tom Aspinall card. Bang. Is it a refractor? Damn it, man. Where are the refractors? It's all right. This card is still going to be worth something. Look at this. Amanda Ribas. All right. On to the next pack. Come on. Trying to get the autos, the gloves, the refractors. See whose name it is. Mackenzie Dern. Okay. Oh, yeah. Getting somewhere. Daniel Santos. Shavkat. Not even going to try to pronounce that. Bang. Another championship card. Let's get it. Ooh, this one's lightweight. Zubron. World Champions card. Not bad, not bad. Look at that Mackenzie Dern. Ooh, look at that. That's when she's about to punch her ass in the face. Look at it. Some of these cards are dope, just the way that they did it. I'm glad they didn't go cheap with it. Oh, shit. See, look at that. Oh, I thought that was fucking, Kamzat. Manifesting Moments card. Magomed Enclave. Bang. Look at that. Already a hit. Oh, a Patty Pimblett card. Bang. Is this a God Pack? Rose Namajunas. Jeez, what a hit. Oh, a Kamzat card. Oh my God. Global Warriors Kamzat Chimaev card. Look at, I swear you guys just heard me 15 seconds ago saying about I thought this last card was Kamzat. Look at this card right here. Kamzat Chimaev Global Warriors card. Got to get this while he's still hot. Look at that. Global Warriors Kamzat. This card is a banger right here. Definitely got to sleeve this one and put this off to the side. That one is good. And look at this. Magomed when he was a champion. Look at, and it's the Aqua. It's the Aqua. Oh my God, it's numbered. Holy shit. I gotta get this graded. This is worth some money right here. Bang, look at this. The Aqua Refractor, bro. Crazy. Holy shit's gotta make sure this one is on there. That one definitely needs to get sleeved 1,000,000%. Bang, let's go, come on. Did we hit some monster cards? Can it continue? Yes, I'm greedy. I want all the best cards possible. Gillian Robertson. Carlos Paredes. Alexander Topuria. Okay. Oh, shit. Bang! Max Holloway Impact Point card. Not a refractor, but still a beautiful card. Look at that Max Holloway Impact Point. Holy shit. Getting some bangers, and this was the Jillian Robertson. Sorry. All right. Last pack magic. Come on, we hit some bangers already. We've hit some bangers. Jacqueline Cavalcanti, yeah. Ooh, Alexander Volkov. Not bad. Patricio Ferreri. All right. Is this going to be some magic? Another championship card. Ah, another repeat. We already had one of those from the last pack. Tatsuo Taira. Look at that. Now we got two. Sell one, keep one. The one looks like it's a refractor. Is it? It is. One is a refractor. One isn't. Oh, so I guess we're selling both of them, eh? Bang! And this was the last card of the pack. Get you some UFC cards. Look at the hits I just hit. That was me opening up a Topps Chrome 2026 UFC box. 24 cards, 6 packs, 4 cards in each one. As you see, I've hit some bangers. You could hit some too. Thank you for joining in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.